Okay, I just received my new JVC HD action camera. It just came out in August 1st, and I had it special delivered, so it got it here real soon, as quickly as possible. And this is the unboxing. So I'm so excited, and I can't wait to use this. I'm getting ready to go on a bicycle trip from Vancouver to San Diego, 1,700 miles. So I'm pretty excited to get this because I'm leaving tomorrow. And I can't wait to take it with me. Get it out. Okay, here we go. Okay, calm down. Oh boy. So much for the box. Okay. Alright. Looks like I didn't break anything. So, here's the camera. And the, some kind of a mount. There's some of the boxing. Let's see what else we got in here. Rad. Okay, like a suction cup. Oh, this looks like the goggle mount. Can't wait to put those on my goggles. That'll be cool. This looks like the universal mount for universal mounting. A couple suction cups. Rad. And this is the HD. Oh, this is, yeah, USB to, what is that? Oh, okay. So that goes into this, and then this goes into your computer. And I have no idea what this is. Ooh. See that? Baby screwdriver and baby screws. Kick butt. Manual. Warranty, guarantee. So let's take a look at the camera. What is this? I hope that was supposed to come off. So that's really small. And pretty awesome. I wonder if it's charged. It's probably not charged, but and it's not charged. Got your mounts on there. The batteries in here. So I'm gonna have to play with this and then use it all next month and do a little mini review after I get back from my trip. Pretty awesome though. I'm super excited.